Precision machined aluminum parts are becoming the choice of many industries. And aluminum has many advantages, such as machinability, strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. More importantly, its low cost makes it ideal for prototypes, end-use products, and custom tools for molding. Weican provides precision aluminum CNC machining services. Our factory is equipped with 3, 4, and 5-axis CNC milling machines and lathes, and we can also provide sub-services such as drilling, tapping, EDM cutting, etc. We use a variety of aluminum material grades. You can choose the type of aluminum grade depending on the intended use in your manufacturing project. Using precision tool holders and tooling to ensure optimal precision and accuracy of the parts. We process your parts as quickly as possible and offer a variety of coatings and finishes to suit your project requirements, providing you with customized processing services from prototype to low-volume production. Want to know more about our aluminum CNC machining or other metal fabrication services? Please contact us immediately.